A dealership's #1 priority is selling cars. Uniseal Dealership Services helps them do just that. We reduce the dealership's overhead by staffing your make-ready department with our employees and with also our supplies, chemicals, equipment, uniform, and employee benefits. We prep the cars for sale quickly and efficiently, and we also offer a warranty program that basically becomes a profit center for your dealership. For new cars, we clean them top to bottom, inside and out, so they are showroom ready. For used automobiles and trade-ins, we recondition them to look like new and make them more attractive to car buyers, which allows the dealership to increase their profits on used cars. We prep the cars for sale quickly and efficiently, which will increase your dealership's CSI. We decrease your vehicle's time to market and increase the wash quality, keeping your lot looking top-notch. We are fully insured by Zurich for workers' compensation, auto, and garage keeper policies, keeping your dealership covered. With our barcode scanning technology and our complete back-end software, accurate vehicle information becomes seamless. Uniseal's warranty department offers a paint seal warranty that is 5 years on new cars, 3 years on used cars, can be sold in finance or preloaded depending on the dealership's needs, and is a great revenue generator for all locations. At Uniseal, we know how dealerships work. We've been in the industry for almost 40 years, and we are currently in 130 dealerships throughout Texas. If you're interested in trying us out, call us today. We're so sure we can help you, we don't require any of our customers to sign contracts. Give us a call today and let us help you streamline your process so you can sell more cars.